cosmos, resembling an expansive azure ocean, adorned with rare archipelagos of galaxies, masks a profound truth. Merely a minuscule fraction of atoms find refuge within these celestial islands, while the remainder drifts aimlessly through the vast intergalactic medium. This cosmic expanse, akin to the intricate roots of an ancient colossal tree, sees gaseous tendrils emanating from each galaxy, guided by gravity to replenish the dense celestial forest. Within this intergalactic medium lie the raw constituents of creation, hydrogen and helium, interwoven into celestial sheets and filaments that ultimately converge within galaxies, birthing the splendorous spectacle of stars. Yet, if we look with discerning eyes, we discover the true orchestrators of this cosmic symphony, quasars, the epitome of unrivaled supremacy. Comparable to a grain of sand beside the majestic Amazon River, these enigmatic entities reside at the hearts of select galaxies, emanating radiance surpassing that of 1 trillion stars. They wield the power to reshape the very fabric of the cosmos, unleashing colossal jets of matter that reverberate across the universe. Their might is such that they possess the capacity to extinguish entire galaxies. In this article, we embark on an exploration of quasars, probing their enigmatic nature and unraveling their influence on the grand tapestry of the universe. The enigmatic radiance. In the 1950 ES, astronomers cast their gaze upon the heavens and beheld a bewildering spectacle. Mysterious, resounding radio waves permeated the cosmic expanse, originating from countless locations strewn across the firmament. Dubbed quasi-stellar radio sources, or quasars for brevity, these celestial anomalies resembled stars in form, but emitted radio waves instead of visible light. Every aspect of their being defied conventional comprehension. Some pulsated, while others emanated high-energy X-rays alongside their characteristic radio emissions. Most astoundingly, they traversed the celestial tapestry with astonishing alacrity, hurtling through space at velocities surpassing 30% of the speed of light. The sole plausible explanation posited that they resided at such immense distances that the universe's expansion propelled them away from us. These staggering cosmic gulfs indicated that quasars were not mere stars, but rather the vivacious cores of galaxies located billions of light-years distant. Astonishingly, their resplendence exceeded that of the entire Milky Way manifold. These celestial behemoths resided at the forefront of the early universe, reaching their zenith approximately 10 billion years ago, when galaxies and the cosmos itself were in their nascent stages. The eminent power. What endows an infant galaxy with such awe-inspiring luminosity and unbridled ferocity? Surely, the sheer radiance and energy unleashed could not be attributed to a multitude of stars alone. Given that galaxies tend to burgeon over time through mergers, the stellar radiance from dwarf galaxies would pale in comparison to their ancient counterparts. There exists only one plausible mechanism capable of generating the staggering magnitude of energy exhibited by quasars: the voracious appetite of supermassive black holes. The precise genesis of these titanic entities remains shrouded in mystery, but evidence suggests that every galaxy houses a supermassive black hole at its core. How could it be, then, that the most resplendent entities in the cosmos are none other than black holes, notorious for ensnaring any matter that dares cross their event horizons? The answer lies not within the black holes themselves, but in the space enveloping them. An immense, swirling disk of gaseous matter, aptly referred to as an accretion disk. Quasars, much like stars, derive their luminosity from this celestial fuel. However, it is the black holes that act as the paragon of efficiency, converting matter into energy with unparalleled proficiency in the cosmic realm. The energy released during the process of matter's precipitous plunge into the voracious maw of a black hole can exceed nuclear fusion within a stellar core by a staggering factor of 60. Such prodigious energy emanates not from the realm of nuclear reactions, but rather from the fundamental forces of gravity. Matter, hurtling toward the event horizon at near light speeds, harbors a prodigious reservoir of kinetic energy. Yet, this energy remains concealed within the black hole, only to be witnessed if matter is ingeniously directed into its maw. A direct descent into the void denies the outside universe a glimpse of this cosmic display. Conversely, when matter spirals around the black hole, it accelerates immensely, forming a blazing disk that extends into the inky depths of space. Interactions and collisions between particles within this swirling maelstrom impart incalculable amounts of heat, driving temperatures to hundreds of thousands of degrees. Thus, within a realm scarcely larger than our solar system, the galactic nucleus disgorges energy far surpassing the collective radiance of all its constituent stars. Behold the quasar, an insatiable supermassive black hole in the throes of a cosmic feast. The voracious feast. Quasars are notorious for their insatiable appetites, consuming a prodigious range of 1 to 100 Earth masses of gaseous sustenance every minute. When the universe was a mere third of its present expanse, approximately 10 billion years ago, the intergalactic medium was less diffuse. Consequently, the filaments of gas enshrouding quasars constituted a bountiful banquet, instigating an unparalleled exodus of incandescent light and radiation. The brightest among quasars manifest as celestial artisans, intricately sculpting magnetic fields into narrow conduits. These behemoths propel colossal beams of matter akin to celestial particle accelerators, traversing the circumgalactic medium and coalescing into plumes that span hundreds of thousands of light-years. Hundreds of thousands of light-years. The sheer magnitude of this spectacle defies comprehension. A diminutive region within a galaxy capable of shaping swaths of the universe, stretching over unfathomable distances. Regrettably, quasars cannot sustain their voracious feasting indefinitely, as their celestial banquet ultimately delivers a crippling blow to their host galaxies. Quasars, cosmic harbingers of change. While the notion of killing a galaxy may verge on hyperbole, quasars indubitably leave an indelible mark upon their celestial abodes. The unrivaled brilliance and overwhelming heat they emanate inflict irreparable harm upon their galaxies, stifling the very genesis of stars. Indeed, the scorching heat precludes the birth of new stars within the celestial crucible. It may seem counterintuitive, for stars arise from collapsed gas clouds that ignite into luminous brilliance. However, in a hot, frenetic gas cloud, atoms teem with relentless energy, impeding gravity's gentle embrace. Thus, the inception of new stars necessitates a reservoir of chilled gas, unburdened by resistance when the moment of gravitational collapse befalls. Furthermore, quasars exert a baneful influence by expelling gas from their host galaxies. This expulsion deprives the quasar of sustenance, while simultaneously robbing the galaxy of the fundamental building blocks essential for stellar formation. Though tinged with melancholy, this celestial ballet proves fortuitous for the nurturing of life. The alternative, a surfeit of stars, would incite cataclysmic supernovae, reducing planets to barren wastelands. Naturally, the interplay between the myriad components of a galaxy's ecosystem interweaves a complex tapestry. While phenomena such as quasars and supernovae tend to dispel gas from galaxies, they also engender conditions conducive to star formation, albeit temporarily. Gas expelled from galaxies merges within flowing streams, fashioning a cyclic interplay that revitalizes the galactic crucible. In sum, it is reasonable to assert that without a modicum of equilibrium, life as we know it would remain a distant reverie. Glimpses into the past the Milky Way's quasar legacy. Alas, the annals of galactic history remain inscrutable, rendering the Milky Way's ancient chronicles a tantalizing enigma. Much like grains of sand that mingle incessantly upon a beach, galaxies too obliterate the vestiges of their past, thwarting our attempts at divining their cosmic heritage. Conceivably, the Milky Way herself, now tranquil and dormant, once blazed as a quasar, bestowing upon our central supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, its staggering mass, a behemoth surpassing 4 million solar masses. Regrettably, the distant epochs of our galactic genesis elude us. However, as quiescent as it may appear, Sagittarius possesses the potential to manifest as a quasar in the eons to come. Several billion years hence, the grand cosmic spectacle of the Milky Way's merger with the neighboring Andromeda Galaxy shall grace the celestial stage. Over 100 double quasars born of galactic collisions have been observed, heralding the confluence of fresh gaseous sustenance for the central black holes. Yet, this symphony of celestial entwining shall endure but fleetingly. As galaxies unite, so shall their supermassive black holes, descending upon the core of the nascent entity and scattering stars and dust in their wake. Whether this captivating cosmic pas de deux shall transpire remains a mystery, but its realization would undoubtedly yield a sight of unparalleled grandeur. Perhaps, in the distant epochs yet to unfold, sentient beings shall bear witness to this ethereal dance, their souls awash with reverent awe. Nonetheless, one need not endure an epochal wait, for even now, our terrestrial realm teems with captivating wonders, awaiting our understanding and appreciation. Conclusion. Quasars, the celestial beacons of unparalleled brilliance, illuminate the cosmic tapestry with their awe-inspiring radiance. While their power to extinguish galaxies is a testament to their might, their voracious feasting and subsequent cosmic reformation harbor subtle nuances. These luminous entities, akin to celestial phoenixes, intertwine with the cosmic fabric, leaving an indelible imprint upon the galaxies they inhabit. Although our own galactic heritage remains shrouded in the mists of time, the possibility of the Milky Way's quasar past and the promise of a resplendent quasar future stir our imaginations. As we navigate the celestial labyrinth, cherishing these profound wonders, let us also remember that our own pale blue dot brims with a myriad of awe-inspiring phenomena, eagerly awaiting our discerning gaze and unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.